Several years ago, MakeAWish Foundation had a wish of their own. With an IT staff of only 10 people, they were tasked with supporting a few thousand employees and volunteers, both on-site and across the United States. They knew they needed a smarter way to remotely support their organization. What they didn't know was if a single technology would work for all of their services. So, they set out on a mission to find out. When they told us their story, the answer was clear. With LogMeIn Rescue, their small team could deliver rapid remote support efficiently and securely. Rescue could save them time with on-demand remote control and training, and optimize their team by running simultaneous sessions. For MakeAWish, Rescue is a lifesaver, and support is simple. According to their staff, it just works, and it always has. With Rescue, they save a tremendous amount of money and time. There's no extra reporting work. They no longer need to provide phone training and support. And they save about a week in time for each on-site onboarding they don't have to travel to. They're happy to say, what we've saved with Rescue goes back into granting wishes. It goes to show, when you have the right tools, you never know how far you can go to make dreams come true.